Hello, good morning to everybody. I am Dr. D.D. Sawant from Department of Geography, J.A.T Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women in Malegaon District, Nashik. Today's topic which I had selected, that is a Sardar Sarovar Dam. This is the picture which is of a Narmada Dam. Here the statue which is seen, that is of a Vallabhbhai Zaveri Patel, who was a Indian statesman. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. This is the project which he had given the permission, and hence this is the larger project which is in front of us, that is the Narmada project. As a Sardar Sarovar project on Narmada river in the state of Gujarat, India is another example of controversial multipurpose river project. In fact, this project is more complicated and complex than the Tehri Dam project as regards the controversies and disputes pertaining to environmental, economic, social, and political considerations. The Sardar Sarovar project is being implemented and supervised by Sardar Sarovar Nirman Nigam Limited. This project may be evaluated in the following years as a political, legal, technical, and environmental. So, in historical journey of the Sardar Sarovar project covering a time length of 43 years from its inception in 1947 to the present state of impasse in 1990 tells a pathetic story of delay and dally between several political, legal, technical, and environmental cataracts. This project was conceived as back as in 1947, but its foundation could be laid down only after 14 years in 1961. This resulted into disputes after the sharing of the benefits of the project between the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. This is the tri-junction. It may be pointed out that the Narmada emerges near Amarkantak at the elevation of 900 meter in Madhya Pradesh and drains through the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat to empty into the Arabian Sea after covering a distance of 1312 km and an area of 98,796 km square, of which 87% falls in Madhya Pradesh and 1.5% in Maharashtra and 11.5% in Gujarat. Here the present static of Sardar Sarovar, which are as the first time in its history the Sardar Sarovar Dam across Narmada River started overflowing at the level of 131.05 meters. If you see the level of this water level of this dam, which is a 129.5 meters, which was recorded in July 29, 2013. The dam is overflowing because of the heavy rains in catchment areas in Madhya Pradesh. Due to heavy rains in the catchment area of Narmada Dam, as well as release of 1.5 lakh cubic water last Friday and 2.5 lakh cubic water last Saturday. Next one, that is irrigation. What irrigation? How the irrigation facilities which are given? How it is uh, covered the areas. The Sardar Sarovar project will provide irrigation facilities to 18.45 lakh hectare of land covering 3,112 villages of 73 talukas in 15 districts of Gujarat. It was also irrigated the land which was 2 lakh 46,000 hectare of land in the strategic desert districts of Barmar and Jillor in Rajasthan and 37,500 hectare in the tribal hilly tract of Maharashtra through lift. If you will see that the area near about 75% of the area which is in Gujarat is drought prone area, while entire command in Rajasthan is drought prone, and hence the assured water supply will soon make this area drought proof. Next one, that is a drinking of water supply. Special allocation of 0.86 mf of water has been made to provide drinking water to 131 urban centers and 9,633 villages, means that 53% of total 18,144 villages of Gujarat were covered. Within and outside command in Gujarat for present population of 29 million and prospective population of over 40 million by the year 2021. All the villages and urban centers of arid region of Saurashtra and Kutch and all no source villages and the villages affected by salinity and fluoride in North Gujarat were benefited. So here power to be considered, as there are two powerhouses. For example, river bed powerhouse and canal head powerhouse with an installed capacity of 1200 megawatt and 250 megawatt respectively. The power would be shared by three states. It has been shared in three states. Those are Madhya Pradesh 57%, Maharashtra 27%, and Gujarat 16%. This will provide a useful peaking power to western grid of the country, which has very limited hydel power production at present. A series of micro hydel power stations are also planned on the branch canals where convenient falls were available. Now the flood protection due to heavy rainfall and two rivers which are meeting to this uh, channel, and hence the flood which is very much in a active position. So it will also provide flood protection to riverine reaches measuring 30,000 hectares covering 210 villages and Bharuch city and a population of 4 lakh in Gujarat. About wildlife sanctuaries, for example, Shul Paneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary on left bank, wild as sanctuary in Little Run of Kutch, Black Buck National Park at Vela Vadar, Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary in Kutch, Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, and Alabate at the mouth of river will be benefited. Hence, the additional production if we'll see that SSP would generate electricity. On completion, annual additional agricultural production would be rupees 1600 crores. Power generation and water supply rupees 175 crore, aggregating about rupees 2175 crore every year, equivalent to about rupees 6 crore a day. Thank you very much.